And hello guys. So I am her brother. Oh wait, I forgot to remove my auto clicker. Hold on a second. And hello guys. So I am her brother, and now we came back to my account. I have another account. Oh my God, my time. You OTP ID. Oh my God, they added the category. That's crazy, bro. If you're watching, welcome NFSM MDT game. If you're watching this video, bruh, I am serious. And also, they added the dark. Yep, and I feel you have enough UI. Oh, as you can see in dark edge. As you can see on the left side of my screen, that I'm confident that uh, 5 million dark fragments. And I also have the teleport. Yep, no one will. No one believed me I had a teleporter because they said I was a noob and I didn't have any Robux in my account. So I should I had 200 and anyways they added a dark tree upgrade. So really start for the start because the first they start generating dark facade of +1 dark star cycle and they added the mirror, which is where you can upgrade. Yep, and I can currently upgrade mine now. Bruh, never mind. I just need 200 for food. I need something more. So really glad. You guys probably saw those maps in one of my videos, right? Guys, say in the comment section, should I do dark fragment or not? Is it worth it anyway? Bro, I forgot this status map. And hello, man. Wrong voice changer. Wait, what? I have no voice changer, but promise. And let's go Mercury right here. I'm gonna go gambling. I'm gonna go gambling. Guys, let's gambling. Let's go gambling. I'm gonna try to get P plus on Dark Fragment or Mercury. Hmm. Should I should I risk my Mercury and get P plus? You know what? I have 1,300 blocks, so it will be worth it. No, Laes. Oh my God! I just got double P plus. Please, please, please roll. I need this. My mom is kinda homeless. Bro, please roll. Why do I keep getting F? Okay, this game is actually tricking me. I keep getting F. Why is that? I. Oh my God. I regret gambling my mercury. Please, 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 I beg you. I need that. Eh? Oh, guys, comment in the comment section. Should I keep this? I'll let y'all decide for now. Anyways, if you guys don't know, there's this secret spot over here. By the way, this code is expired. Don't use it. It's holy moly. Look at those epic pictures, bro. Epic pictures. Oh my god. I'm gonna change my avatar later, by the way. Oh my goodness. Are you serious? Don't mind if I do. Yep. Anyways, so I'm gonna go to chapter 2. Let's view. I'm gonna view my old chapter. Chapter 2 took me 5 days to complete, and chapter 1 took me 3 days to complete. You guys heard it? Alright, alright, we get it. Bro, what? They nerfed that chapter 2. It was so hard these days. No way they actually nerfed it. By the way, guys, just letting you guys know, you can click to this, like this. Mm, bruh, mm, bruh, you, I swear you can click to this, or to this, like this. Bruh, I swear you can click to this. But let me try it now. Bruh. Anyway, I forgot to use my original cards. There we go. We are earning so much better now. So, on- anyways, guys, you shall join my clan. You guys should join my clan. If you don't know my sister's clan, actually my sister's clan is clan. Super squad. What the hell? What is the name that like that? What the? What the hell is that? And hello guys, welcome back. So guess my time guys. One and oh two I two finally holy thank you. Yes. That's what I wanted. Okay. Anyways, yeah. Oh my god, two NOQIG already, bro. Anyways, I'm gonna AFK here until I get that upgrade. Guys, I just came back and there's an admin event going on right now. They just destroyed my Dark Essence grinding. I was so close, 20 quadrillion more to go, and I can do upgrade my Dark Essence earning. This game really destroyed. Well, W wrong, I guess. I was watching Cocomelon. You cannot discard my Cocomelon by you doing a vortex event. I was watching a Cocomelon. I'm gonna go. Okay, anyways, guys, don't mind that. So, what the heck is going on? I just came back and there's a vortex event. Are you serious? Who, who, who is me? Who is me, bro? Who is me? What do you mean? What do you mean, bro? Hey, if you're watching this right now, what do you mean by that? No. Anyways, I'm gonna get back to grinding Dark Essence. Anyways, guys, am I the first one to get those upgrades? I already matched this one, and this one is 9 out of 99. I'm going broke of dark stars after. Guys, we are getting one NOQIG per 50 millisecond, guys. That's actually crazy. That the meter actually boosted me so much. I you guys can see my meter. See that is that timer is going so fast, and I'm gonna end the video because I don't have verification to have 10, 10 minutes plus a video. Okay, bye guys, because my sister gonna control this account. Ah.